What you wear is how you present yourself to the world, especially today when human contacts are so quick. Fashion is an instant language. This is the language of fashion that is in the air and has been beautifully created to up your fashion quotient by the Department of Fashion and Textiles of IIS Deemed to be University, Jaipur. The department was established in 1995 to develop professionals to take on the challenges posed by the dynamic fashion industry. The Department of Fashion and Textiles aims to nurture the creative talents of its students. It focuses on equipping them with an in-depth understanding of the various aspects of fashion aesthetics, thereby ensuring their absorption as professionals in the industry. The department offers robust academic programs at undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctorate level. At undergraduate level, it offers professional courses such as BSc in Fashion Design and electives such as BA, BSc, and BCom in Garment Production in Export Management. The department also offers postgraduate and PhD programs in fashion and textiles that seek to develop much needed skills and promote academic excellence in both students and faculty members. In addition, it also offers career-oriented and skill development courses offered in fashion designing at certificate, diploma, and advanced diploma level. The department has a design studio and various laboratories like that of weaving, testing, advanced clothing, dyeing and printing, and fully equipped draping laboratory. In order to bridge the gap of industry academician, the department regularly organizes demonstrations of advanced sewing machines to provide technical knowledge to students for enhancing design sensibility and creativity. It also organizes enrichment lectures, workshops, and competitions for which professionals and experts from leading fashion institutes are invited. In order to provide in-depth knowledge of fashion and textiles industry, regular field trips are undertaken to export houses, fairs, and fashion houses. All these activities enable students to gain knowledge, experience, and exposure in the constantly changing and evolving field of fashion. The ideal platform for showcasing the creativity of budding designers, the department organizes fashion show every year, which is judged by the popular designers like Hemant Trivedi, B.B. Russell, and many more. Out of all the design jobs available, fashion designing happens to be the most phenomenal and versatile. Students get opportunities to design clothing accessories which can be implemented for styling purposes. Fashion designing is a lucrative job with heavy demands and several career options like sketchers, cutters and pattern makers, head designers, costume designers, and stylists. The department's alumni too have gone on to become successful entrepreneurs and are placed in leading brands of fashion industry.